Hi friends, Simit here from InformedTrades.com. On the screen right now, you're seeing a daily chart of the Euro-US dollar exchange rate. You can see that the Euro-US dollar is at this green line here, which is the 200 exponential moving average, and is also at a resistance level that's been pretty well established on the daily chart. We see it's been tested 1, 2, 3, 4. This is now the fourth time it's being tested since February 2016. 1, 2, 3 here, and now we're at 4. So a very well established level the market has bounced off repeatedly. In this one instance, we broke through it, but in the other levels, or other instances, we bounced right off of it. So from this perspective, I think the euro is set to decline against the dollar, and the dollar is set for a short-term rally at least. That's sort of what it looks like on the euro-US dollar. It's also confirmed when we look at the US dollar index. Right here, we're seeing we're at support at the 200 exponential moving average. Now, the US dollar index, the DXY, is very similar to the euro dollar, so this isn't terribly meaningful, but it is some degree of confirmation. What might be a better indication of confirmation is the FXCM US Dollar Index. Here we see we're at the bottom trend line of this wedge pattern, so we might expect a rally from here. We might see US Dollar Index go all the way back up to 12,000. In terms of Euro-US dollar, we might see that fall, the exchange rate fall back to, supports at least 1220. Right now we're at 1380, so 160 pip opportunity, potentially more. But it seems like that way to me. You could put your stop maybe right here at 1480. So risking 100 to get 160, not the best setup in the world, but potentially something to consider. We also see essentially the same manifestation on gold. Gold, yesterday we ran right up into resistance at the 200 exponential moving average and this level right here. This, resistance line is 1170. Basically came near that. You could see, you might argue 1165 is also a resistance level, somewhere in this range. And now we're headed down. How far will we go? We do have support at 1145, so that the market could hold there. Potentially it goes down to the bottom trend line here and the 50 simple moving average as well, though, at around 1130. So definitely some things to consider there. In some, I do think where the stage is set for at least a short-term dollar rally might be some trade opportunities, some long profit-taking opportunities as well. That's about it. Any questions you have, anything you want to add, join us at InformedTrades.com. We also have a huge archive of learning material. If any of this information is unfamiliar to you or you want a refresher, I definitely recommend checking it out. Best of luck in trading, and we'll see you next time. Take care.